The secret to strong knees is to strengthen the muscles that both stabilise the knees and to help the knees track straight, not turn in or out too much. So here's the best way to do that for problematic knees. With these exercises, I'm going to give you some different options depending on whether your knees are currently painful or not. And we're going to start off with the Vastus Medialis, which is the main muscle that stops your kneecap from tracking out too far and grinding. If your knees are sore, start off by putting a rolled up towel or a foam roller underneath your knee while sitting, externally rotating your leg by about 45 degrees, and then extending slowly from a slightly bent position. Hold for a few seconds in the extended position and then lower it back down. And then repeat that 10 times slowly for 2 or 3 sets. If your knees aren't too sore, you can do something a little harder for the same muscle, Poliquin Step-Ups. With the heel of the weak knee raised on a brick or something of similar height, lower your body weight down until your opposite heel touches the ground, slowly and under control, and then back up again. Squeeze your quads for a moment when you get to the top and try to keep your hips even the whole time. Next, with sit squats and reverse lunges, we can strengthen the whole knee stabilizing system, including the quads, hammies, glutes and calves. The key with any squat is to not bend your knees forward over your feet and strain the patella tendon. To avoid that, place a chair right up against your shins or knees and another one behind you. Then slowly squat down, chest out, looking forward and arms out to help balance, but do not allow your shins to push the chair in front of you forward. Go down as far as you can without knee pain, like you're going to sit down, and then up again. Start at 1 set of 10 and work up to 2 sets of 10 over time. Once you can do that easily and pain-free, you can start with one leg. This will ramp up the balance and stabilizing effects and really challenges the lateral glute stabilizers, which are really important in making sure your knees don't turn in too much. Don't try to go down too far with this one, just do it nice and slowly. 1 slow set of 10 should be plenty. For a stronger workout, you can do slow, controlled reverse lunges, moving back until your back knee almost touches the floor. Be careful to keep your front knee over the foot, not caving in or out. Do 1 to 2 sets of 10 slowly, and you can add hand weights over time. Some of the calf muscles cross the knee too, so next, let's work on proper support from the knee from below. To strengthen and stretch this gastrocnemius muscle, you can use eccentric contraction exercises. On the edge of a step, raise your body weight over 2 seconds, lower it slowly over 4 seconds, and then hold the stretch for 4 seconds. Repeat for 2 sets of 10 and then progress to one leg over time. The last exercise is actually a massage, but it could be the most important part. Too much tightness in your iliotibial band and the lateral quads drags the kneecap too far out, causing a huge amount of cases of kneecap pain. So a minute a day of massaging the lower outer thigh here with the heel of your hand or a percussion massager can do wonders for your knees within a few days. So make sure you always end with this. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing because it always helps. Okay, cheers.